Chapter 5 Formatting in Word. Hello children, you have learnt about Word, which is used to type text in many ways. Let us know more about it. Word is a program for typing text. It is developed by Microsoft. It helps the user to process words, paragraphs, and entire page. It is used to create letters, projects, etc. Formatting a Word document. Formatting means to make the document more attractive by changing the font style, font size, font type, etc. Fact: in Word, formatting can be done by two ways: character formatting and paragraph formatting. Font group. Font group in Word is a group containing tools such as font type, font size, underline, bold, italic, etc. This can change the way a character looks like. To use the font group, follow the given steps. Step 1. Type the text. Step 2. Select the portion of the text where you want to use the font group. Step 3. Change the font style of the text as per requirement from the drop-down list. Step 4. Change the font size or use grow font and shrink font to do the same to the text as per requirement. Using bold, italic, and underline options. All the three options are used to give extra focus on any character or word. To use these options, follow the given steps. Select the text. Step 1. Select the text you want to change. Step 2. Then click the bold, italic, or underline commands in the font group. Changing case. To change case, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text whose case you want to change. Step 2. Click the Change Case command in the font group. Step 3. Select the case option which you want to use from the list. Highlighting text. To highlight the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the font group, click on the text highlight color drop-down arrow. The highlight color menu appears. Step 2. Select the desired highlight color. The selected text will be highlighted in the document. Changing the font color. To change the font color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text whose color you want to change. Step 2. Click the font color drop-down arrow in the font group. The font color menu appears. Step 3. Select the color you want to apply. Format Painter. Format Painter is used to copy the format of one text such as font style, font size, font color, etc. to another piece or text without going through the long process or changing each of them separately. Using the Format Painter. To use Format Painter, follow the given steps. Step 1. Highlight the text containing the formatting you want to use on another piece of text. Step 2. Click the Format Painter button in the clipboard group. Your mouse turns into a paintbrush shape. Step 3. Select the text you want to format. Fact: the shortcut to copy format is Ctrl plus Shift plus C, and to paste format is Ctrl plus Shift plus V using Find option. Find option helps in searching a specific text in the document. To use Find option, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the editing group, click on the Find tool. It will open the navigation pane. Step 2. Type the text you want to find in the Find What text box. Step 3. Click the Find Next button. If the text appears more than once, you can click Repeat. If the text appears more than once, you can continue to click the Find Next button until the text you want is shown. Find synonyms using Thesaurus. Thesaurus helps to identify words that have similar meaning to another word. Using Thesaurus. To use Thesaurus, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click the selected word in your document. Step 2. From the pop-up menu, choose the Synonyms sub-menu to see a list of words with similar meaning. The Synonyms sub-menu displays a list of synonyms for the word you choose or choose Thesaurus. Step 3. In the Thesaurus task pane, type or paste the word into the search box and press Enter. Page formatting using paragraph group. Many options are available in the paragraph group, which is available on the Home tab as well as on the Page Layout tab. You can adjust the alignment, add bullets, fill color, add spaces between lines, and do many more formatting in Page using this group. Alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of text on a page. There are 4 types of alignment available in Word. They are left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, and full justified aligned. Alignment option is available on the Home tab. Select the type of alignment that you want to work with and start typing. Let's recall. Word is a program for typing text. Formatting means to make the document more attractive by changing the font style, font size, font type, etc. Formatting can be done by 2 ways: character and paragraph formatting. Font group contains tools such as font style, font size, underline, bold, italic, etc. Bold, italic, and underline options are used to give extra focus on any character or word. The thesaurus helps to identify words that have a similar meaning to another word.